Oh wow, a colorful dinosaur puppet. So many colors. This is so beautiful. Let's play with it. So funny. Play again. Let's learn the colors. Do you like it, kids? Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, purple color. What is your favorite color, kids? Keep it aside. Oh wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is red. Second color is green. Third color is blue. Fourth color is sky blue. Fifth color is pink. Sixth color is yellow. Seventh color is orange. Eighth color is purple. Ninth color is brown. Today we will learn alphabets. Let's start. Pink. A. A for apple. Apple is a fruit. Purple color. B. B for bus. Bus is a vehicle. Orange. C. C for cow. Cow is an animal. Red. D. D for dove. Dove is a bird. Green. E. E for elephant. Elephant is an animal. Yellow. F. F for flamingo. Flamingo is a bird. Next color is blue. G. G for grapes. Grape is a fruit. Brown. H. H for horse. Horse is an animal. Our last color is sky blue. I. I for ice cream. Do you like to eat ice cream, kids? Now say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.